safe is your job as a marketer? Well, let's talk about it. We're going to talk about 7 careers that AI has created new careers in the industry of marketing. I'm going to be looking down at my phone per usual to give you the detail. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, and if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. This is a series of Chatting with Tammy. Well, I talk about self-development, mindset, and lifestyle, and money tips and careers as well. So in this video, I'm going to describe 7 AI marketing careers that are new that you can get into right now. Starting with number 1. Number 1 is AI marketing strategist. So what an AI marketing strategist is, so AI marketing strategist, it uses AI to make ads, email, and messages feel tailor-made for millions without sounding creepy. And this could save a lot of time because building out emails is no joke. You have to have great writing skills, and AI just save up your time, right? Now let's go to number 2. The second role that you can AI created in the marketing industry is AI brand voice architect. What that is AI, it trains AI to write exactly like your brand, same tone, style, and personality every time. And with that being said, this particular role, the voice of your brand transcends to your marketing, and it doesn't sound robotic. I know you use ChatGPT and it sounds robotic, it don't sound human. So this role, it makes sure it sounds exactly like you and your personality. Sound like a good role, right? And this is number 3, the third degree in AI that you can do in marketing, which is synthetic media director. And what that is, it creates ads, video, and even influencers with AI. No big shoots or team needed. Now, if you are a social media manager, you know that you have to book a content creative space. You have to get your makeup, hair done, rent out a car, and do the whole 9. So with this career that I just described, right? Sorry for looking down. Synthetic media director. This role helps you create more campaigns with spending less money and using AI. So you just write a prompt saying, oh, I want this person to walk out in a BMW and showcase the logo of my soda brand while they're taking a lean on the car. So this is what you will be doing with this role. It's so much better. It saves thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars. If you do social media marketing, this will be so helpful to you and save you a lot of money. Let's go to the next one. Let's move on to the next one, which is number 4, AI prompt designer. This is AI prompt designer. It builds smart prompt systems that make AI create better content faster and keep improving over time. So this role, you are creating content for your brand using AI on a bigger scale, on a faster scale. So you can create 30 days, 60 days, 90 days of content way faster with AI. You just write the prompts, what your brand is about and the tone, and they'll create the content just for you. This is a role in marketing that you can also do. Now let's go to the 5th role that you can do combining AI. And this one is very good to save you a lot of money. This is role 5, which is the AI content optimizer. What this is, it tracks how AI content performs and then tweaks AI to boost clicks, sales, and engagement. This is very important because this ties to which is the role of PPC. Even though it's not creating ads, it does tracks the boosts, focus on ads, but it does tracks and tweaks it on its own, which is really great. You don't have to use tests. You don't have to send out a test regarding your content. The AI just tweaks itself, which is save a lot of money when it comes to business owners, business brands, whether you're small or big. This saves a lot of money being an AI content optimizer. So again, what it does, it tweaks and raises your clicks, whether it's booking clicks or your buying product clicks, it doesn't matter. it boosts that up. Also, it raises your sales and it raises your engagement. Being an AI optimizer, very important. That is another role that you could do in marketing in AI. Now let's go. You have two more. The number 6. This is an AI trend analyst, and what that consists of is it uses AI to dig through online chatter reviews and search trends to find hidden opportunities before anyone else. So basically, it searches through your reviews and what the people are talking about, what society is talking about, and it finds hidden opportunities for trends so you can hop on a trend before anyone else. This is very helpful because usually when you're trying to look for a trend for that week, you'll go on TikTok, you click on Reels, or you go on IG, you click on, you go on TikTok, you click on, you filter it, you go on create an insight. Well, this is helping you move a little bit quicker and find the trends a lot more quicker than you searching it yourself, saving time. So AI is more basically helping you be more efficient in marketing. Now let's go to the last one. The last one is very important because we have a lot of lawsuits going on with people content and stuff, which is AI compliance and ethics lead. And what it consists of, this role consists of makes sure AI powered campaigns follow laws, cultural norms, and ethics so brands stay safe and trusted. And this role is very important, the compliance and ethic lead. I don't know about you, but if you're a company, whether you're a personal brand or a big company or a small business, you do not want to get sued. That is the number one thing that's going on. People content are getting stolen, and the IP, you have to protect your IP. So this role will be so important and very protects your brand as a person, as a business, however you see fit. This role definitely is very important within the marketing industry, and it integrate with AI, so it searches through the laws, make sure it's obeying the law, make sure it's not doing nothing illegal, which is very important when it comes to business, period. Whether you are online or not, you definitely would need this person, and this role needed to be created, and AI just makes it a little bit better. Thank you so much for chatting with Tammy. Those are the 7 new careers that AI has created in the marketing industry. I am so excited that this is making marketing a little bit more efficient. You don't have to do all the research and things like that, and you save you a lot more time just to focus on creating the content or just creating campaigns a little bit faster and more efficient. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe because I have more content coming. And thank you for coming with Chatting with Tammy. Subscribe and see you the next one. Bye.